welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new page on Squarespace. Adding new pages can help you expand your site with more content like blogs, portfolios, or content pages. So let's get started. The first step is to go to the Pages section. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the website you're editing. Just go type in Squarespace into a search engine and enter the website right here. Enter your account using your account credentials and select the drop down menu next to the icon that says that's your account and click on dashboard. Select the account dashboard here and click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. After that, select the website you want to edit and open it. Now, after it appears, in the left sidebar, click on Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all the current pages on your website. The second step is to add a new page. In the Pages menu, you'll see different sections like Main Navigation and Not Linked. Click the plus icon next to the section where you want to add your page and a pop-up will open with different pages type like blank page, blog, or portfolio. Just select which one you want to add a page here. I'll select the main navigation and I'll select a blank page. Now for the third step is to customize your new page. After selecting a page type, give your page a name like About Us or Contacts. Here. Click on the new page to edit it and start adding text, images, and other elements. Use the editor tools to build the page exactly as you want. Just click on it. And you can do all that. Creating a new page is that simple. Now you can expand your website's contents and keep things organized. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.